Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Skill Station. Today is our sixth lecture of statistical data analysis course by using Python. We have discussed each and everything in detail. Last lecture we discussed about how we can perform correlation and how to make heat map by using the bar graph by using the multiple variables. And we discussed each and everything in detail. But in our today's sixth lecture, we are going to discuss about how we can perform descriptive stats on Python. Before going into detail, we should follow the following steps. First, what is descriptive stat? We will learn about what is descriptive stat in my course of R Studio. I teach in detail what is actually descriptive stat. I have already discussed in detail each and everything of the descriptive stat, but let's repeat again. If you have watched my R Studio course, you must know what is descriptive stat. But we will discuss again about descriptive stat and why we need descriptive stat in the research or our analysis and how we can import data set. I have already, but I will repeat again and how we can perform descriptive stat. What is descriptive stats? We will learn first about what is descriptive stats and why we need descriptive stat, each and everything in detail. Before that, I open my working directory. I have already teach how we can make working directory and how to open working directory. Here is desktop. I will open desktop and here is Python tool. Here I have already saved my dataset in my working directory. How to save? I have already teach you. This is descriptive stat sample dataset, and you can generate this dataset by using the chat GPT. I have already downloaded this dataset from ChatGPT. You can also take this sample. You have to give command. I need a sample dataset for all type of descriptive statics on the Python and in Excel sheet. And ChatGPT will generate a dataset in Excel sheet. Let me show you dataset. First, I show you data file that I am going to use for descriptive statics. Let me open. I will go to download folder here. This is dataset on Excel sheet that I took from the ChatGPT to perform the descriptive. You can also perform on your original dataset by completing all the requirements of the descriptive stats. Let's go here. Sheet is open. Here you can see that gender, male, income, employee education level. These all are our variable gender, income, certificate, employee level. These are our variables. So let's start here. First of all, let me import data set. I will also explain, but first let me import data set. And then we will write descriptive stat and also learn what is descriptive stat. So let's start. I have opened my Anaconda navigator and open Jupyter notebook and also working directory. Here is my Jupyter notebook. Then right perform analysis on Python. You must have I close all these. I have done. I did a project of client, so I am going to close this. Yes. So first of all, we should install the package that is required to import data set. This is Pandas 5. Install Pandas. This is need. So next import Pandas as PD. Second step. Now we will import our data set. We will import our data set. Here you can see that. Here you can see that our data set file name is descriptive stat sample XLX. So we have to write same. So we will write pd dot read excel and excel form. We have written excel form, and now we write the name of the file descriptive 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 same spelling descriptive as there is descriptive not descriptive. So we will remove as now underscore descriptive stats underscore again we will see descriptive stats sample.xlsx underscore sample dot xlsx and bracket will be close here. And now we will add inverted comma. This is the script I have already teach you to import a data set on Python. I already discussed in detail. So I will run this. So here you can see that our data set is imported. Here you can see that our variables are that I already showed you. And now I will give this script a short name. For example, sheet 1 is equal to this so that we can easily install our dataset. So here you can see that. Okay, now I will now I will do. I will str my dataset. How to str dataset and why we need that dataset I have already explained in the detail. So now we will str our dataset to perform the descriptive step. So let how we do str. Str means to get all the data in the form of the table so that we can perform analysis on that. So we will write print bracket bracket and dataset name now is sheet 1 dot info and again bracket close two times. Now we will run this script. Here we have str our dataset. We will copy this one, control V, sorry, control C. Again, we will copy this, control C and paste here, control V. Now what we will do, we will copy this complete table, control C and paste here, control V. Now we will again totally copy this script, control C. Now we will open ChatGPT. So what is descriptive stats? First, we will learn about what is descriptive stats by ChatGPT. And this internet issue, I think so. Internet is very slow, but let's fix it. Yeah, Oppo, connected, but I have to connect with my warehouse. Let me connect with my Wi-Fi. Actually, my laptop was connected uh, with my mobile data. Now I have converted it to the my Wi-Fi. Now I hope so internet speed will be fixed. So guys, let me revise all the lectures we have covered till now. First of all, we discuss about what is Python and Anaconda Navigator. In second lecture, we discuss about how to first lecture how to install Python and Anaconda Navigator and the difference between Python and Anaconda Navigator. And in third lecture, we discuss about how we can uh, import dataset on the Python and how to make working directories on the Python. And almost in our fourth lecture, we discuss about what correlation. And in our fifth lecture, we discuss in detail how we can make this bar graph with multiple variables on the Python. So in our today lecture, we will discuss about how we can uh, perform the descriptive statics by using the studio in the detail. Right, as I have already explained each and everything about descriptive stats. So let's revise our dataset again, once again about descriptive stats. ChatGPT is taking some time. Let internet fix this. So these are basic, very easy things that I am going to revise you. It's about the skipping set. So if ChatGPT is not working, let's find an other solution. I open AI of the WhatsApp. So here we can also see each and everything. AI. So here we will see what is what is descriptive stats. What is descriptive stats? I will send to the ChatGPT and ChatGPT will complete answer me. Here, descriptive stat is a branch of stat that deals with the summarize and describe. Let me focus this. I think so. Now it is okay. So now you can see ChatGPT has opened now. Yes. What is descriptive text? So here we go. Here you can see that descriptive stats are set of brief descriptive or coefficient that summarize given data and they provide simple summaries for the sample data here. This summary can be either numerical or visual and it means summarize over data set. So here is further types of descriptive stats: mean, average value, median, mode, range, variance. These are basic uh, can be present using table graph. Basically, these are guys very simple terms. So now we will perform analysis. I want descriptive stats on Python. I will give my data set to this ChatGPT to generate a script for descriptive stats. So before, so guys, if someone asked me before ChatGPT how we perform analysis on the R and Python, so we before this we use different other source on Google, GitHub and others, but it takes time. But now with the help of AI, data analysis has become easy. So here you can see the complete script for descriptive stats. We will copy and simply here we can also paste. We will add an other set here. We will simply paste it and run this script. Here you can see that guys, we have get results descriptive stats. Here you can see that. Here you can see these descriptive stats: mean, mode, medium, maximum unique stats, frequency for gender, and the frequency for education level, and these are descriptive stats. So if we want visualization, I want script for visualization two. I want script for visualization two. We can also get script for visualization two. Here is the complete script. Now, if we will run this script, we will get graphs or plots. Here, we will give this script to the Python here and simply run this. So we will get relevant plots to descriptive stats. Data frame visualization, I think so some libraries are missing, but let's here you can see that category summary, education level. Here you can see the age distribution graph, gross plot of income, gender distribution. Here you can see that employee status. These all are the relevant graphs. So this is how guys we can perform descriptive stats on Python. Now next lecture we will learn about how we can perform the t-test or ANOVA by using the Python. So stay connected as skill station, must subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, you can ask in the post and the comment section. Next, my course is going to start on SPSS. So subscribe my channel.